Hi everyone, Mike here. In this episode I'm going to talk about the gut and how important it is for your overall health. The intestinal tract is a very complex and delicate system, and there are two important factors at play when it comes to the health of your gut: the health of your intestinal tissue and the health of your microbiome. Did you know that there are nearly 5 pounds of bacteria living in your digestive system? This is your microbiome, and the DNA of these microbes outnumber your human DNA 100 to 1. This environment can easily be stressed, and depending on what you eat and drink, you may be creating an imbalance of good and bad bacteria, which can disrupt healthy digestion and nutrient absorption. And having unhealthy gut flora can also produce symptoms of anxiety, stress, and depression because of the gut-brain connection. It can literally change your mood and your personality. The intestinal cells that lie below these microbes have barriers called tight junctions and rely on the cooperation of your gut flora to choose which proteins and which molecules can enter your body. These junctions are important because close to 70% of your immune system lies just beneath the gut lining. And with unhealthy gut flora and junctions that have been damaged, unwanted proteins and molecules can get into your bloodstream. This will cause your immune system to respond as it normally would to any foreign and damaging intruder, with inflammation. And your immune system can easily be overworked. Chronic inflammation has been associated with diseases including celiac, rheumatoid arthritis, and autoimmune disease. And depending on your genetics and your environment, your symptoms may be mild or severe. By avoiding inflammatory foods and damaging proteins such as gluten and lectins from grains and legumes, and adding foods to your diet that are beneficial to the health of your gut, you can begin the process of healing this environment. By adding prebiotic foods to your diet such as onion, garlic, and artichoke, you can provide a good source of inulin, which is a type of fiber that gut flora consume and convert to helpful short-chain fatty acids. And by adding probiotic foods to your diet, such as yogurt, sauerkraut, and kombucha, you can improve your digestion and nutrient absorption, as well as create a physical barrier against unfriendly bacteria. Drinking bone broth or supplementing with collagen can provide your body with the ingredients needed to build healthy skin and tissue. And time-restricted eating and fasting during the day will give your body the time to rebuild and repair those tissues. The science has been accumulating quickly on the importance of a healthy microbiome. And with frequent rounds of antibiotics and daily doses of inflammatory foods filled with toxic pesticides and preservatives, no wonder our health has been declining. But once you begin making changes and listening to the signals from your body, you'll begin to notice the negative effects that come from eating certain foods. And over time, you'll find yourself choosing to preserve your health rather than indulging in just a few moments of mouth pleasure. Please give this episode a like and subscribe to our channel if you'd like to see more content on how to enhance the health of you and your family. You can follow Jodwin Health on Twitter and Instagram. See you next time.